On July 17, 2020, the U.S. District Court in Maryland ordered the U.S. Department of Homeland Security to fully restore the deferred action for childhood arrivals, as known as DACA. You may submit a new DACA application now. This is a developing story. Hi, I'm Jae Francis Lee. I'm immigration attorney in Chicago, Schaumburg, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin. I'm also a college professor and first-generation immigrant. Today, I'm going to give a DACA update after the court ruling. What are the DACA requirements? On July 17, Judge Paul Grimm of the U.S. District Court ordered DHS to restore the DACA program to pre-September 5, 2017 status. Let's review the history of the DACA program first. DACA program was first started under Obama administration in 2012. The program provides protection from deportation and legal employment authorization. This program applies to a very specific group of people who are in this country since 2007, under the age of 16 at the time of arrival, and under the age of 31 in 2012. Criminal and educational records are also reviewed. Can I renew DACA in 2020? In September 2017, Trump administration announced its decision to end the program, citing the program was beyond the legal power of any president. Because of ongoing legal challenges to the decision, only those with existing DACA status has been allowed to renew. No new DACA request was permitted. What is the current status of DACA after Supreme Court decision in 2020? The legal challenge went all the way to the Supreme Court. The case was argued in November 2019, and the court decided on June 18, 2020. To simply put, Supreme Court blocked Trump administration from ending the program immediately. Because of court's ruling, the Dreamers' temporary status protecting them from deportation and allowing them to work remains intact. However, DHS has not allowed new DACA applications despite the Supreme Court's ruling. Does USCIS accept new DACA application and advanced parole? Let's review the status of the DACA program after Supreme Court and District Court's ruling. Although it is subject to a legal appeal by DHS, District Court's ruling allows new DACA applications. In addition, DACA advanced parole may be reinstated. Prior to the 2017 termination, Dreamers who got married to U.S. citizen spouses were eligible to apply for advanced parole, which permitted them to travel abroad and return legally. If reinstated, DACA advanced parolees would be able to adjust to permanent residency without going through I-601A waiver process. Stay tuned for additional videos on DACA news and USCIS updates. Contact immigration attorneys to review your eligibility and status of new and renewal DACA applications and DACA advanced parole. Francis Law Center, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.